How to reply on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open a chat from this list. In this chat, type your message in the text bar and tap on the send button to share the message. But if you want to reply to only a specific message in this chat, then go to that chat and tap and hold it. Then, select Reply from the options. You can now reply to the specific message only. Type your message in the text bar and tap on the send button. You have now successfully replied to this message. You can repeat the same to reply to other messages from your friends on WhatsApp. So, by following these steps, you can easily reply on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.